In this chat, we're unpacking why so many contractors lie about being state licensed, especially in Arizona, and what you gotta watch out for when hiring someone for your home projects. So here's the deal. Contractors claiming to be licensed when they're not is a bigger problem than you think, especially in places like Arizona, where it's actually illegal to advertise without your ROC, Registrar of Contractors, number on all ads. First off, always ask for that ROC number and verify it online. It's super easy to check and can save you a world of headaches. If a contractor gets all dodgy or refuses to share, that's a big red flag right there. Getting licensed isn't just about passing some test. It means they've got a bond, workman's comp, and have proven they know the trade and business side, so you're protected if things go south. Keep in mind, even licensed contractors can play shady sometimes, but at least they've got to follow some rules or risk losing their license. If someone's using another person's license or straight up lying about having one, it's not just sketchy, it's illegal and seriously jeopardizes your project's safety and quality. And hey, don't just trust the license. Check reviews, ask for references, and use your gut. Sometimes, the best work comes from folks who've put in the grind beyond just a license. Lastly, remember that licensing requirements vary by state and job size. Like in Arizona, handymen can't do jobs over $1,000 without a license or subcontracting to pros, so know the limits before you hire. One of the biggest mistakes people make is hiring contractors without verifying their licensing at all. That's like inviting trouble to your doorstep because unlicensed work can mean no insurance coverage, shoddy work, or even legal issues later on. Another common issue is trusting a contractor just because they flash a license. Always confirm it's legit through your state's ROC website because fake licenses are surprisingly common. Thirdly, many homeowners don't realize the importance of licensing for code compliance and inspections. Hiring someone unlicensed could mean failed inspections or dangerous shortcuts that cost you way more in the long run. To avoid these pitfalls, always do your homework. Ask for official documents early, check online databases, and don't be shy about walking away if something smells off. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're trying to dodge these headaches because it connects homeowners with trusted, local contractors who are pre-verified and legit. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find steady work without having to hustle through shady ads or questionable leads. Everyone wins when trust is built up front.